What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Kyle. I do all things motorcycle related. I do moto vlogs, installs, and reviews. Today on this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Flo Motorsport bagger floorboards. I just got them. We're going to be unboxing them, taking a look at them, installing them, and maybe even going for a short ride to see my first initial impressions. So let's get to it. Here they are, the Flo Motorsports V5 bagger floorboards. If you're wondering where I got them from Get Lowered Cycles. They're about an hour away from me, so they have super fast shipping, great customer service, and I usually get whatever I order within 1 to 2 days. So as you can see here, these are very different from the stock floorboards. These are definitely like a more performance bagger MX style floorboard. I personally am going with them because I just love the look, and I'm sure it's going to give you some nice grip with these thick studs here. So let's look at the bike and see what we're working with. So as you guys see here, I just still have the stock streamlined floorboards that come on pretty much every Harley touring. I wanted something different, and I think these Flo Motorsports going to add a great taste. So to get these installed today, we're going to be using a 3/16 Allen and a 7/16. I'm just using a ratchet wrench here just to make things go a lot faster, but you could just use a regular standard wrench or socket. To actually change the floorboard, we're going to be going for that guy and that guy. So like I said, a 3/16 Allen and a 7/16 wrench or socket. All right, real quick, guys, just so you know, if you're unsure of what side's what, I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but there is a L for left, and then on this one there is a R for right, so that way you know exactly what side. And then there's also going to be these wave washers here that we're going to have to put on the rear. Alright guys, so now with this installed, we'll move right on to the other side. The only other thing I have to note here is it's always helpful when you're doing anything with bolts like this that you don't want to come loose. Just dab a little blue Loctite on. I forgot to mention that earlier, just to reassure that they're not going to come off down the road. That wouldn't be good. So let's move right on to the other side. Well, let's go take a look at them. All right, let's go for a rip and see how they feel. Hey guys, real quick, I just checked the footage from my ride. I realized I left my vent open, so I was getting a lot of wind feedback when I was talking. Just to touch up on the ride that I took and my first initial impressions, I absolutely love them. They're super grippy. The only gripe that I have of them is the fact that they kind of seem a little looser, which is pretty much, I can show you right now. As you can see, there's that like this little bit of a gap in here. Those are the washers that they supply, but as you can see, it just seems a little too loose for my liking. But it doesn't seem to affect you at all when you're riding. I had no problems. Like, the grip on these things is ridiculous. You can definitely tell that they are a performance floorboard. I love the look of them. As you can see here, I added a little piece of soft Velcro because these things, like I said, they're a little loose. It's like this thing will definitely come in contact with your pipe. So I just put a little piece of Velcro there just as a peace of mind that I'm not going to nick up my pipe. But other than that, I absolutely love them. The only thing else is I went with the black option. I was debating on getting the jet fuel or black. It was kind of a toss-up. All the bikes that I've seen with these floorboards that were in the snake venom color all got the jet fuel color. So I kind of just wanted to be a little different, and I personally like the black. But let me know down in the comments, would you rather had me get the jet fuel or the black? I'm kind of curious to see what the pull would have been. But yeah, overall, I love them. Like I said, the only two things are that they are kind of looser, and that, you know, you just got to be cognizant of it possibly hitting your pipe. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to drop down below in the comments if you guys like these Flo Motorsport floorboards, and also drop down in the comments what floorboards you guys run on your bikes. I'm curious to see. Make sure to smash that like button and click that subscribe button if not already done, as it helps grow the channel, and I would greatly appreciate that. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!